All right, so I'm going to be making a smoothie with Vital Proteins Collagen Peptide. Now, there's two ways you can do this. You can put the collagen peptides inside of the blender, or you can do it afterwards. I'm going to do it with the pudding inside of the blender first. So I have Vital Proteins original collagen peptides right here, the scoop of it right here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it into the blender first. And how I do this, I tend to put my liquid in first. So I'm going to use about a quarter cup to half cup inside of the blender. And then I'm just going to go ahead and add, you see this right here? I'm going to add this into the blender. This is some of the collagen peptides in there. Now do that right there so it can go ahead and get dissolved somewhat in there. If you want to add crushed ice in there, add that, put that on top, and I'm actually going to do that. All right, so after that, I'm going to add some of my vegetables in here. I have a little bit of ginger and some blueberries, so I'm going to add some blueberries in there. I have some fresh mint. I'm going to put some mint in there, as well as a little bit of spinach and kale. Now, normally I would add some peanut butter to this, but I'm out of peanut butter. But I am going to actually add some banana. So I'm going to add some banana to it. So I have right here, I have a banana I didn't eat for breakfast, or half a banana I didn't eat for breakfast. I'm just going to go ahead and peel this open. And then I'm going to go ahead and place this in top right there. Now, some people like flaxseed in their smoothies. So I'm going to add a little bit of flaxseed to it. I'm just going to add like maybe a spoonful or so. All right. A flaxseed in there. Get a little bit of fiber action going on in there. Throw that. And then, like I said earlier, I'm going to add a little bit of ice to chill it down. Now, the key, I don't add ice at the beginning with the water at the bottom, because the ice tends to make the collagen not dissolve. All right, you kind of need room temperature water in order for the collagen to dissolve. All right, so once I had it in there, I'm just going to check to see if I have enough water in there, maybe a little bit more. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take this. I have a very powerful blender, so it doesn't take long. So close your ears for 1 second. All right, so it's done, and I'm going to go ahead and open this up right here and look at it in there. Maybe add a little bit too water, but it blended very well. And I'm just going to add some into the cup so you can see. Pour some into the cup right there. Look at it, it's nice and cold. I added the ice last, and it's sitting right there nice, very nicely. All right, so that's Vital Proteins Collagen Peptides added to a smoothie. It's going to be really good. I enjoyed it. I hope this was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.